back here. Yeah. You're at the front with your legs.
If you think you can do better, you come out here and you have a go. If you want to share the spotlight and wear some sequins, you can come out here and have a go.
Oh, no, I wasn't trying to be nasty.
How about we get Rex to sing a song? Come on, a little bit of encouragement, please, for our bass player, Rex.
Come on, give him a hand, ladies. Come on.
Oh, yeah. Oh, all right.
Come on, Rex. We'll have to get you to sing a girly song.
Hang on. Well, I wasn't being nasty.
No, if you're going to whinge and complain, you can have some spotlight, as I said. Let's make you a little bit comfortable, first of all. Hang on to that. And that.
I have to hold everything up here. Now, look, I wasn't trying to be nasty or anything, but we are standing back and oh, hang on. That's mine. Now, fair's fair, D. I mean...
Is that Estee Lauder?
Stefan, I think.
That's a little bit more like it. Now you look more like me. How about you take your shirt off? A little bit of music, Michael.
Oh, hang on, you can't take the...
Come on. Oh. That's revolting. And the other one. And the other one. No, come on, take it all off. No,
You can't do... Shut up! Can't do that with all these people here.
The people love it, don't you?
And Mr. Premier's gone and everything, and I'm embarrassed. You can't... Oh, hang on.
Now, come on, off with the shirt. Come on. Rex, you've been into my costume bag again. I think you've won a heart down there.
What are you laughing at?
I think you've won a heart. Hold on to this, I've got just the thing. There's something missing in there.
Oh, no, look, this is not fair. All I said was, you know, that you've got legs and everything and...
That's not a bra, that's a hammock.
That's a bit better.
At least it's a bit better. It's bigger than yours now.
Thank you very much, Rex. We might get you to sing a song, please. How about a bit of encouragement for Rex Harris? Come on, let's hear it for him.
Take this. I can handle it. My boy lollipop, you make my heart go giddy up. Oh, hang on. You are my one desire. You set my world on fire. My boy lollipop. I love you so. And I want you to know. I need you so. I'll never let you go. Oh, my boy lollipop. You make my heart go giddy up. You set my world on fire. You are my one desire. My boy lollipop. I love him so. And I want you to know. I need you him so. I'll never let him go. Oh, my boy lollipop. You make my heart go giddy up. You are my one desire. You set my world on fire. My boy. I love you so. And I want you to know. I need you so. I'll never let you go. Oh, my boy lollipop.
He's a big poof.
You make my heart go giddy up.
He's a big poof.
You are my one desire.
He's a big poof.
You set my world on fire.
He's a big poof.
My boy lollipop. My boy lollipop. My boy lollipop. Big finish. My boy lollipop.
Harris over there on Tutu and Stuffed Brazil.
Come on, let's hear it one more time for Rex. Before we finish our show this evening, please, how about a warm round of applause one more time for the fabulous Dukes of Earl. Come on, let's hear it for them. We'd like to leave you with some hand-clapping songs from the 50s, a little bit of rock and roll. You shake my nerves and you rattle my brain. Too much love drives a girl insane. You broke my will, what a thrill. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Kiss me, baby. It feels so good, good, good. Kiss me, baby. I wanna love you like a lover should. 'Cause you're fine, so kind. I wanna tell the world that you're mine, 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 mine. Super Cupid, you're a real mean guy. I'd like to clip your wings so you can fly. But I'm in love and it's a crying shame. And I know that you're the one to blame. I said, hey, hey, set me free. Oh, stupid Cupid, stop picking on me. To New Orleans, back up in the woods amongst the evergreens, stood a log cabin made of earth and wood, and in the winter country boy named Johnny B. Good. He never ever learned to read and write so well, but he could play that guitar